How to fix error 0xc00007b, application was unable to start correctly. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Make sure .NET Framework components are enabled in Windows features. The .NET Framework is a critical part of many applications, and if the components are not enabled, it could lead to the 0xc00007b error. Enabling these components ensures that the application has access to the necessary libraries and resources. If that didn't work, some applications require DirectX for proper graphical rendering, and lacking the legacy components might cause the error. Installing this SDK ensures compatibility with older DirectX-dependent applications. Fix 3. Reinstall Visual C++ Redistributables. Visual C++ Redistributables are essential components for running certain applications. Corrupted or missing redistributables can cause the error. Reinstalling them can rectify the issue. Link in description. If that didn't work, fix 4. Try System Restore. System Restore can roll back system changes that might have led to the error. It's an option to revert the system to a state before the problem occurs. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Follow the prompts to finish the process.